Hello everyone, this is Samia Taslim Suhat. The name of our project is Obstacle Detector for the Blind People. So first of all, why we have chosen this project? According to WHO, around 39 million of people are blind worldwide. They are suffering a lot of problems in their daily life. Although they are using the traditional white can for their many years, but it has major disadvantages. So the aim of our project is to build a cheap and more efficient way to help the visually impaired people with comfort, speed and confidence. Third Eye for people who are blind is an innovation which will help them to navigate with speed and confidence by detecting the obstacles nearby with the help of ultrasonic waves and notify them with buzzer or sound. They only need to wear this device as their cloth or handband. So now this is the first wearable technology for blind people with which resolves all the problems in the existing technologies. Nowadays there are so many instruments for them, but many of them has major drawbacks. So one of the main positive impact in our innovation is it is affordable for everyone. The total cost is less than $25, which is approximate to 3,000 taka. There are no such device available in market which can be worn like a cloth or band, and also low cost and simplicity. When this project used in a large scale with improvements with prototype, it will drastically benefit the community. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Mediasan and I'm going to describe about the hardware that we're going to use in our project. You already know that we're going to make an obstacle detector for the blind people, which will help the blind people to find objects. So in our hardware section, we're going to use Arduino Uno, which has 14 digital input and output pins. To find the obstacle, we're going to use ultrasonic sensor, which is HCSR04, and if this find any object around 80 to 100 centimeter, this will send a signal to the Arduino board, and the Arduino board immediately send the signal to the vibrator and the buzzer, and then the vibrator will start vibrating and the buzzer will start beeping, which will alert the blind people about the obstacle. And in our power section, we are using this power bank as our power source. And then to connect all this hardware, we are using this breadboard. Actually it's a mini breadboard, and we are using some jumper wires, and these are the hardware we are going to use in our project. And to set all of this hardware, we are going to use this case, which is really handy and compact. I think the blind people will feel comfortable by using this. And that's all from me.
Hello everyone, myself Mohammad Bohanuddin. I will show you that how the device works and how blind people will use this. Here we have set an ultrasonic sensor, and here you can see that we have also used a buzzer, and you can clearly see that we have also set a vibrator. When any obstacle will come in front of this ultrasonic sensor, then the vibration effect will notify the blind people that there is an obstacle in front of him. Now I will show you that how the device practically works. So you have already seen that how the device works. When any obstacle will comes between 40 to 100 centimeter, then the device will give you a primary warning. But if any obstacle come between less than 40 centimeter, then the buzzer will start its beeping very loudly and the vibrator will start its vibration, which means the obstacle is very near to the blind man. And is this how a blind man can easily detect any obstacle? So we think that by using this device, a blind man can easily move around in society like other people.
I'm Fatima Akhtar Noreen. Does this project propose the design and architecture of a new concept of Arduino-based virtual eye for the blind people? The system is very unique and simple, easy to carry, configurable, and easy to handle. The advantage proposed to provide constructive support and assistance for the blind people, and thus the system will be very unique and efficient in its capability by specifying the source and obstacles that may encounter the blind, and it may detect and scan the source, scan the obstacles in the areas like left, right, and in front of blind person, regardless of its height and depth. With the proposed architecture, if constructed at utmost accuracy, the blind person can move from one place to another place without others' help. The future enhancement is that the entire project has been made in the form of jacket, so that the device does not need to be wear one by one. By specifically sewing the specialized board using specialized boards that are designed using them instead of Arduino, and also by using high quality ultrasonic sensors. And ultrasonic sensors makes and gives faster response, which makes the device capable of working in the crowded place. Thus, this project will be implemented in the future enhancement of this device. So that's all from us. Thank you.